Hello po mga kapamilya, ako po si Marco Gumabaw at nandito tayo ngayon sa Ateneo Blue Eagle Gym para makihangout sa favorite yung volleyball team. During games ay kilala natin ang team na ito with their winning attitude at talaga namang sila ang inaabangan ng mga volleyball fans. Pero paano kaya sila off the court? Silipin natin ang masayang samahan ng Ateneo Lady Eagles Volleyball Squad. Tara! So girls, ipakilala naman natin ang isa't isa. So can you please say something different about the other person? Let's start with Amy. What can you say about Joanna?
I can say that Jo is really loud. Just kidding, she's like the quietest in our team and she never says anything.
So Eliza, ano naman masasabi mo kay Gia?
Siya talaga yung most responsible and sobrang focused.
So Gia, what can you say naman about Bea?
Siya yung pinaka-intense mag-celebrate sa amin lahat kasi watch her face during the games.
Okay, so Bea, what can you say naman about Maddie?
I think Maddie's the wildest person I've ever met. I think she's such a rebel. But she's very responsible and she's very modest in her own way, in her own little ways.
What can you say about Giselle?
She's the tallest in the team. She's small but terrible.
So girls, let's play a game naman. So let's start with you, Eliza. Okay, so bookingan portion to, girls ha. So Eliza, please give the ball sa taong pinakamatagal maligo.
May second down pa ata siya mag-shower, so Maddie. So rebel siya.
Do you agree naman na ikaw yung pinakamatagal maligo?
Si Jory naman.
Okay, so Maddie, ibigay mo naman yung bola sa squad mate mo na pinakamaingay matulog.
Oh my God.
Parang alam mo na ha. Alam mo na.
I'm asleep.
Okay, so Amy, ibigay mo naman yung bola sa squad mate mo na pinakamalakas kumain.
The little one.
Small but terrible nga siya, di ba?
We go to buffet and she gets like 5 plates and she just gets from like every plate. Like, gee, we're in public.
Is it true ba? Ikaw ba talaga pinakamalakas kumain sa kanila lahat?
Depends on my mood.
Okay, so Giselle, ipasa mo naman yung bola sa squad mate mo na pinakamagaling sumayo. And syempre dapat may kasamang sample yan. Yeah. So Eliza, sample naman Eliza. Ipasa mo naman yung bola sa squad mate mo na pinakamagaling kumanta. Okay, Maddie ulit.
Mama don't lie,
She likes everyone. And if you like the way you look that much, so maybe you should go and love yourself.
Can you give us any advice para sa mga fans nyo on what an ideal squad goals should be?
I think the ideal naman talaga, dapat, not naman same personality, but different personalities na nagkakaroon ng balance. That's why nagiging maganda.
An ideal squad goal would be a squad that will buy you food every given time you want.
Hey, you always eat in my house.
Squad goals!
Na-enjoy nyo ba ang bonding natin with the Ateneo Lady Eagles? Abangan ang next volleyball team na makakasama nyo. Dito lang yan sa UAAP Squad Goals.